Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a open source package which allows you to generate unlimited images directly locally inside your machine. It's actually a Python package which actually provides you with unlimited free AI image generation. So there is no limit, so there is no sign up, no API keys, no limits. This is an open source package I recently found out on GitHub. As you see that it actually supports all the actual models that allows you to generate images. So it's really easy to get started. It's a newly package here. You can just see it's recently released 3 months ago. It's got almost 5 GitHub stars. So I've given the link in the description of this video. You can check out the GitHub repo. And now to get started, it's very simple. To install this package, you execute this command pip install Goblin AI. So you should have Python installed inside your machine. So directly inside the terminal, you basically execute this command pip install Goblin AI. So I have already installed it. So this will hardly take 2 minutes to completely install this package. So after you install this, they have given this quick start example. Simply copy paste this. So I have already run this example. So inside this Python script, as you can see, it's actually inside using this simple prompt. It actually created these three images which are generated by AI. It's completely free. This is the first image, this is a second image, and just you can see the quality of the image generated. It's actually looking like a real image generated by a premium AI model, but it's completely free. This is the third image. You can just see the lighting as well, the actual lighting on the image which is generated right here. So all these three images are generated through AI, and I can simply change the prompt as well. So let's suppose I simply say uh, two guys coding on laptop, and from here I can simply say so right here you pass an option right here, second option studio lighting, if you also want the studio lighting as well. And the third one is, let me change it. So as you can see, I simply changed all the prompts here. And now if I run the Python script here, so now once again these three images, unique AI images, will be generated. So it basically takes some time to actually generate the images. So just wait for the Python script to complete. So this is actually a really good open source unlimited package from which you can generate directly AI images without any API key or subscription model. Simply install this. Now as you see, we are running this Python script. It's started the actual processing. So once it completes, all the three images will be generated. So just it take around about 30 to 40 seconds for the script to complete the actual processing. So it's a complete open source free package which allows you to generate unlimited professional looking images through the help of AI. Directly type the prompt, and as you see, it will now trigger the web UI to open. It will actually generate the images, save those images directly inside your machine. So we can see it is downloading those images one by one, and it actually supports all the operating system. It's a cross-platform package, so it can be executed on Mac, Linux, Windows, so there is no restriction. So it's an ultimate if you are looking forward for a solution for image generation through the help of AI. This is the perfect package. So will see it is now executing it step by step. So once it completes, you can see the first image. If I show you the first image, so if you see the image, the first image has been successfully generated. You will see. So now you can see you get this message complete. The script has been successfully completed. All the three image files have been successfully generated. You will see this is the first image. This is the second image. As you see, two girls standing on a mountain. Click the reload button. And you see this third image, two guys standing near India Gate. So you will see these are really good images. The quality you can just see right here. All these images are successfully generated locally, and you can see that. So you can just see here the quality of the image. It's looking like a real image. It's not looking like it's generated by AI. It's having this studio lighting effect as well. This image as well, two girls standing on a mountain. So it's a really good package. Definitely check this out. It allows you to actually generate unlimited images. There is no restriction. It's a complete open source package. Goblin AI, unlimited free AI image generation. No sign up, no API keys, no limits. So just you should have Python installed, and it's you can directly install this package, and after that it directly executes through your CPU and GPU to actually generate those images through the help of popular AI models. And this is all these options are supported. You can check out their documentation as well to actually. This is a second example which is given. So let me also paste this as well. Here you can actually select all these options. You can control the quality of the image. Let me create a second example app to. So right here you can concentrate, you can control all the options right here, such as the lighting of the image. So this is actually the example. Definitely check this out, this library. You can see you can control all these properties, the prompt, the actual model, style, quality, every lighting as well. So this is actually the package. Definitely check this out. I have given the link in the description of the video as well.